Hello friends, on this video right now I will show you how to turn on Samsung keyboard sound on your device. So before we start the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the video. You have to move on setting and you have to click on sound and vibration. Okay, then scroll down to system sound or vibration control. Here what you will see is Samsung keyboard. Okay, here, and just click on this icon, same line. Okay, click on this icon and it will be turned on. So friends, if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.